Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to get Samsung Finder Widget in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Galaxy Finder Widget. On the first list, you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see Galaxy Finder Widget.apk. So you need to download this APK file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So now just click on this downloaded APK file. Click on install. Just click on done. Now you can minimize it. Now just tap and hold on the blank area of your home screen. Now just click on this widgets. Now just search for Finder Widget. Just click on it. Now just drag it and place anywhere on your home screen, and even you can resize it depending upon your needs. So now if you click on it, it will open the default Samsung Finder search bar, so you can see here. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get Samsung Finder Widget in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.